Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the advanced EV golf cart, and this is a new brand that I just discovered today. I was driving by my local Acme shop and I saw that they had this very beautiful and brightly colored golf cart outside, so I stopped by to take a look, and wow, I was impressed by the build quality and the number of features that they come with. So to begin with, you can see the prices already. It is at about, I think, $9,600, so under $10,000 MSRP, I believe. And then I don't know if they might, add taxes and other fees maybe for assembling. So they come with a 5-year warranty. They have new US batteries. They are powered by Toyota 48-volt 5 kilowatt AC motor, and it's rated for 400 amps with a Toyota AC controller. You have 4-wheel disc brakes, independent front suspension, Coil spring over shock rear suspension, powder coated frame and chassis, custom upholstery, retractable seat belts, extended top with the grab handles, 12-inch wheels with 23-inch tires, fender flares, brush guard front bumper, lights with turn signals, digital speedometer, odometer, state of charge meter, side mounted mirrors, folding windshield, onboard charger. So a whole very long list of accessories that come standard with this new style golf cart. And then just look at that ground clearance that it has. There you can see some of the specifications. It says it has a 4 kilowatt motor, and you have the option of buying a 5 kilowatt motor. And then there you have a summary of the operation. On the dash you have a forward and backward button. You just press it easy if you're going forward or you're backing up. And there at the center of your screen you can see the charging port. You have the option of either lead acid batteries, or you could also have lithium batteries. Look at how beefy and well constructed that front suspension system is, with the disc brakes. You have the protected brake lines, and the tires are just so beautiful with the aluminum wheels, 12 inches and 23-inch tires. Now I don't think you would want to drive this on your golf course because the tires are very aggressive. One thing I'm not very certain about is if this is 4-wheel or 2-wheel drive, but I would say most of them at least would be 2-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive, I'm not certain. It wasn't advertised as such, and even though it looks quite aggressive like it could be 4-wheel drive, I am not certain about that. Now for the different types of the advanced EV you can get, I saw that they have a lineup, and on the lineup you have different models that you can get. So you have the EV1 EV1 6L, you have the advanced EV. No, I'm getting that wrong. Wait a minute, they have a lineup here. Let me try to see if I can pull it up. Where is that lineup? Okay, here we go. So on the range that they have, you have the advanced HD, advanced HD FX, advanced HD FXR, advanced HD LX, and that is for the advanced HD line. And you have different lines like that. It's very difficult and confusing, but what you can tell is that it's the same basic platform that they are using, and then just changing the suspension and also the size of the tires. So with these ones you have a very high clearance, whereas I believe the advanced HD FX, CX Those are much smaller, and they look more like the traditional golf cart that we are used to. So you have the EV1 Explore series, you have the Advent series, and then you have the Advanced HD series, with the EV1 being the model that you see here on your screens. You can see up front you have even a brush bar. So what I start asking myself is, who is manufacturing this and at what cost? I mean, there's no way you can tell me that you actually produce this for less than $10,000. It makes me ask myself, are they getting some kind of subsidies from somewhere? I mean, the sum total of the components plus the engineering, putting everything together, it has to cost some amount of money. And I just can't wrap my head around the fact that you have such a beautiful EV where you can see how the rear seat folds out to become a storage platform, and you have that for under $10,000. It's just a lot of features. When you get in reverse, it doesn't have a reverse light. You have a beeping sound that the EV will make to alert people in the vicinity. You have the grab handles to facilitate mounting on the rear, and then you can also sit there and hold those handles, and you are secure if you're going over rough terrain. I really love the fender flares. They just they add a touch. And what really struck me also is the fit and finish. When you come really close and look at these EVs, they don't look cheap at all. The quality of the materials and the fit and the finish, it looks very premium, and I was really impressed. So I think this is going to mark the beginning of a new era, where if you have to run to the convenience store down the road on the neighborhood, this is what people will start using. And I think adoption is going to be really fast with these very high gas prices. This is a perfect vehicle for running around the neighborhood, or if you have a large industrial kind of operation and you want to get from one end to the next, this will be perfect for such applications. And who knows, with the lithium batteries, I think the performance will be quite great. So you have the 4 kilowatt motor or the 5 kilowatt motor for more performance, and I think they are just so much value for what you are paying for. I love the quality. You see the color on the seats on this one. It looks so beautiful, so beautiful. The only downside is that it's pure EV, so of course there's going to be a little bit of range and anxiety. So who knows, maybe sometime in the future somebody is gonna add a little generator on there to power the vehicle in case you get stuck somewhere out in the boonies. So you can see the grab handle on that roof. You are protected from the sun. You have a little sheet holder there with a pen holder. You have an ignition. You turn it on with a key. You have the stop there for the brake, for the horn, headlights, and then indicator light. So that goes left, right, to indicate. The steering column is non-adjustable. Very compact but capable EV. I especially love the ground clearance that this has. And there you have the price, $9,695. And of course, we are at my local Acme Tools and Acme Rental. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.